Hi, my name is Adam McCauley, and I just wanted to do a testimonial video for a program that Ofer Breyer is in charge of, and it is from Impro. And I just wanted to tell anybody and everybody that this program is really specific in terms of meeting each person's desired results. So my expectations were to kind of have some insight on what it is that I do. And through this coaching process every day, talking through the answers that I give, it makes me realize the reasons why I do certain things and to change those patterns, because some could not be self-serving. So it's really important to follow through and know that what you don't understand is what you can't change. So awareness is key, and Ofer's program really helps you dig deeper into finding those pain points and how to change them. So I really highly advise that anybody takes advantage of it, and kudos for him for making this happen.